How do I transfer my TracFone service to a new phone?
Hello, and welcome to today's guide. In this video, we'll walk you through how to transfer your TracFone service to a new phone. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds, and with this step-by-step guide, you'll be up and running in no time.
What do you need to start?
Firstly, it's important to have everything you need. You'll need your old phone, your new phone, and access to the internet. Your old phone. This is where your current TracFone service resides. Your new phone. This is the device you want to transfer your TracFone service to. Access to the internet. You will need to visit TracFone's website to carry out the process.
Can my new phone support TracFone service?
Before starting, you'll want to make sure that your new phone is compatible with the TracFone service. TracFone generally supports most GSM and some CDMA phones. If your phone is unlocked, it's likely to be compatible. You can check this by visiting TracFone's official website and using their compatibility checker.
How to transfer the service?
Now to the main task. The following steps will guide you through the process. 1. Go to TracFone's website. 2. Navigate to the Activation or Bring Your Own Phone section. 3. Follow the on-screen prompts to start a new transfer. You'll need details from your old phone, like your current TracFone number and possibly the SIM card number. 4. When asked, enter the details of your new phone. This may include the new phone's IMEI, MEID, or ESN number. You can usually find this in the phone settings under About Phone. 5. Complete the process by following the on-screen instructions. You might need to power off both phones at certain points during the transfer process. Remember, it can take a few hours up to a full day for the transfer process to complete, so don't worry if your new phone doesn't have service immediately.
What if I encounter problems?
TracFone has a dedicated customer service team that can help you out if you encounter any issues. You can contact them through the official TracFone website or by calling their customer service hotline. That's it. By following these steps, you can easily transfer your TracFone service to a new phone. We hope this guide has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new phone with your existing TracFone service.